All right, Algebra 1 students, let's look at Unit 2, Lesson 20, Writing and Solving Inequalities in One Variable. So, the goals are, I can analyze the structure of an inequality in one variable to help determine if the solution is greater than or less than the solution to the related equation. So we're going to be looking at one variable problems and figuring out, are we greater or less than a certain amount? I can write and solve inequalities to answer a question about a situation. So we're going to dive deeper into, here's a situation, but the situation won't be one where it comes out equal. It will be either greater or less than, and then we're going to be writing those types of situations. So still the same as when we were doing equations, just now doing it with inequalities. Vocabulary is staying the same. We have inequalities, so just the constraints have a range of values. Our inequality symbols, we still have our less than symbol, less than or equal to symbol, greater than symbol, greater than or equal to symbol. Those are our main four, and sometimes we may even use the not equal symbol. All right, so here's the warm-up. I would recommend for this one that you write all of it down. So you might need to pause the video to get this down, but I'm going to take you through it. And then we want to kind of create our equations, our inequalities to handle this situation. So Kieran is getting dinner for his drama club on the evening of their final rehearsal. So not a huge bit of information there. So this is important. The budget for the dinner is $60. So he has a maximum of $60 to spend. Kieran plans to buy some prepared dishes from a supermarket. The prepared dishes are sold by the pound at $5.29 a pound. So one dish would be $5.29. Two dishes would be $5.29 times 2, and so on and so forth. It would just go up based off of how many pounds. He also plans to buy 2 large bottles of sparkling water at $2.49 each. Okay, so using our information here, represent the constraints in the situation mathematically. If you use variables, specify what each one means. So if you're going to take a number times a variable and say it's going to be x, you need to tell me what that x represents. Okay, so create your equation or your constraints for this situation. Number 2, how many pounds of prepared dishes can Kieran buy? And explain how you came up with that. Now, in number 1, you could make an equation to help you with number 2, but there are ways to represent 1 without an equation and still figure out number 2 without a specific equation. So any way that you can figure this out, just explain your thinking, and then that's going to start our discussion tomorrow. Thanks.